My name is Marcus. I'm the Wolf representative in South Africa. Today we are here at the Goldwagen warehouse where we will be talking about oil. Oil is very important to your vehicle. There's three main factors. It's for lubrication, cooling and protection. Vehicle engines used to be big engines, V8s, V6s, but with technology engines became smaller, less clearances with the same performances. So with less clearances you need thinner oil but does the same job as a thicker oil, lubricate your engine, protect it, especially on the high revolutions they run on. So the oil became thinner as time went on. And so that's why it's these days very important to make sure you buy the right oil for your vehicle. So in the old days, I've said they just made SAE 20, SAE 30, 40. That was just a normal mineral oil they used to develop for vehicles. As technology went on, they started manufacturing semi-synthetic oil and also fully synthetic oil. So synthetic oil is manufactured in a lab and additives is being added to make the durability of the oil better. And then also, that's why you get a viscosity of a 0W30 or a 5W40. So the W stands for winter basically on the can. So it's when you cold start your vehicle, it's how thick the oil is. And then the 30 or the 40 will be, as it heats up, how it lubricates. So it works as a SAE 30 or 40, but it's a 0W or a 5W because it's thin on startup. Oil gets tested on 40 degrees and 100 degrees, so that's to make sure that the viscosity is correct. Oil also gets tested, Wolf oil specifically, we blend for the WRC Rally. All the junior vehicles is driving on the Wolf oil. So we test our oil in extreme conditions where it's very cold, where they go in the snow, and they go into Africa where it's really hot as well. So all those WRC Rally vehicles is using the Wolf oil, the junior championship cars. And they test the oil and make sure that our oil is some of the best quality that you get on the market to make sure we get the same results in all the conditions all over in Europe and in Africa and South Africa to make sure that we keep the best quality of oil in the vehicles. Thank you for joining me today, and remember that oil is important in your vehicle, and remember to put the right oil in your vehicle when you buy the oil.